Who you here say Jesus Christ?
Jesus Christ.
Hi, Phils. Good morning. You see me in sweater? I'm hot. Why am I in sweater? Ever since I dropped Tyler to school this morning, I have the sweater on and I haven't taken it off. Hi, Faves. Good morning, morning. Good afternoon and good night. You guys say I'm hot, so it's a sunny day. What's your problem, girl? Say good morning, Faves. Good job. Why are you taking off your shoes? Okay, let me help you. Why do you want to take it off? This girl. Why she thinks she should be taking off her shoes and taking off her socks and taking off everything? Give it to mama. Oh my gosh. And if she don't get to take them off, she won't stop screaming. Look at her. She's happy now. Her socks is off and her shoes is off and she's happy. Anyway, you guys, yeah, I'm on the road. I'm heading to the post office with my fine man on his lunch break. Say hello, husband. Hello, is it me you're looking for or no?
I'm looking at the road right now.
Anyway, you guys, I missed a package, so I have to go to the post office to pick it up. I have no idea what it is. But yeah, I'm just heading to the post office, and I think on my way back I'll send babe on his merry way and stop at the park with Princess to burn her out a bit so she can get a good nap when we get back home. But that's what I'm up to right now. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Tyler is off to school. You guys will see Tyler later. Yeah. Even them butterfly fingers. It's a hot day, so I don't know why am I in sweater. I need to hurry up and take it off. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are getting some good weather where you are, and y'all are staying safe and wearing your mask and sanitizing those hands. I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vloggy. Girl and I at the park having a good old time. We're doing swings, we're doing slides, we're doing it all. We have the big old park all by yourselves. Hey you, shake. Which one are you going next? Go on. Go. Up. Good girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Do it. Good job. Go, 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 go. Whoa. Good job. Swing, swing. Let's go swing. Let's go swing. Swing time. Twelve and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, no, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Yay! Go, go, slide, slide, go down, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Way! Bravo! She's running down and feeding the birds. Oh my gosh, she's too cute. She's too funny. Come, look, see two right there. Jump. Hey, good job. Good job. You jumping? Yeah. We're running down the birds. Ooh. Ah, they're in the tree. They're up in the tree, Sarah. Take me up, Mama. Very good. You guys, look at Faves. See Faves there? Faves. You guys, I've been back a long time ago and so much has happened since you saw the last clip. I am actually here in the kitchen making dinner for the fam. But she hung on to me for dear life. So I have to be doing everything with her on my side. My little handbag. What is this? Green beans. Right. I'm making veggies, green beans and mushrooms. You guys can see in the pot. I'm making green beans and mushrooms over here. And then over here I have quinoa, which I hear just finished cooking. And I have fish here. Green beans. You want green beans? Green beans. Yummy. Eat it. Eat. She's not a fan of green beans. She loves green peas, but not green beans. This girl. Tyler is actually taking a shower.
Yeah.
What? What? Oh, it fell. It fell. Say it fell. It fell. Mama. Oh, please, Mama. Yes. You're too cute.
Yeah.
I love you. Alright, you guys, there goes dinner for me. Din, Bobby, and the kids are already eating. Hey, say hello to the faves.
One.
You're back home from school and ready to eat?
Yes.
Alright, and this little one. Listen, if I don't watch Sarah, she eat off all the meat and leave the rest of the food in the plate. She loves fish and chicken, any kind of meat you put in her plate. She'll enjoy that. Look at your nose. It's yummy? It's yummy? Say yummy, not tummy. She's just eating. Sarah, who you here say Jesus Christ?
Jesus Christ.
You guys all day today Sarah is saying Jesus Christ. I guess she hear it too much from me. The Jesus Christ. Sarah said Jesus Christ. Stop calling the Lord name in vain. You guys, it's approaching the end of the night, the end of the evening. Actually, it's night now. Some minutes to 8. I just gave Sarah a shower. You guys know that Sarah not going down for bed like she used to, so I'm just rolling with the punches. She's cuddled up in her little corner. Let me show you her. Sarah, say hello. Say hi. That's the face after shower in her little corner. It is Tyler don't have school tomorrow because tomorrow is Wednesday, so Tyler get to play some games tonight, so that's what he's about to do, and Papa is being Papa.
I'm trying to find something for Tyler.
And I'm gonna get some work done because I was at the park with Sarah today, so I didn't get anything done where work is concerned, so that makes me fall back a bit, but that's okay. It just means that instead of chilling right now, I have to work. So let's go get some work done, shall we? The night's life, look at them. I love to see when Tyler and Babe playing game like this. It always makes me super happy. Look at Princess. Fully up and roaming. Look at her. Sarah? Sarah? Come here, come give mama a kiss. Sarah, come here, leave brother alone. Come here, give mama a kiss. Can mama have a kiss, please? Kiss for mama. Kiss. Mwah, I love you, thank you. Kiss for papa. Go give papa a kiss. Good job, go give Tai Tai a kiss. Tai Tai, give her a kiss, Tai. Tai Tai. Good girl, Babo. Sarah did kiss. Sarah did kiss. Oh, Tyler game finished. Time for bed now. But Sarah, she got to hear about bed. Sarah hear about bed. Sarah gone in her corner.
Mama, I didn't brush my teeth, right?
No, not yet. Go now and do it. Tell first bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Go brush your teeth and come back to say your prayers. Run along. You see Princess? Princess is gone in her corner. That's where she'll stay until she falls asleep. Until midnight. Pray for me. She didn't do too bad last night. I mean, when she went down at 11:30, she woke up about 2:30 and cried. And I went and pick her up and she fell asleep on me like about 5 minutes later. And then I put her back in her bed and she didn't wake again until morning.
If you put on something that she don't like, she's gonna wake up.
Exactly. You try put on her sleep song. Snowflake. Who will listen to Snowflake for like an hour each night? That's the song that gets her into real sleep mode. See her? Look how she used the cover and cover her foot and her feet still out, her toes still out. You ready to go night night, Sarah? Night night.
Same thing yesterday when I said go to sleep. She beside her and she said,
That's what she did yesterday.
2 seconds and then she okay, finish.
Oh my gosh. She's something else. You guys, is she gone right now? Check us back 5 minutes later and she'll be jumping. It's a trick. Don't fall for a trap.
Hello.
Is it me you're looking for?
How you doing?
Dad. Talk to this. Stop blowing me.
You're too close.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, man.
That's
yeah.
better?
That's much
I have
better.
short arms. How about if you hold it?
I have shorter. Why is she laughing?
Because you're funny.
Big noise.
All the better to smell you. Come, end of vlog. Fresh.
How's your day?
How was my day? My day was okay.
Did you
What
sleep
am I
afternoon?
I nap a little bit, yeah.
Cool.
At 3 o'clock, my body couldn't do anymore, so I said, Father God, I have 1 hour before I go for Tyler. And when I look, Sarah fell asleep, so I said, you know what? Let me see if I can knock out 45 minutes. So I fell asleep about 3:10 and woke up by 3:45. So I shut my eye.
That's all
I was
you need.
uncomfortable because I was laying cross in the couch.
You
But
should have gone to the bed. It's as short as you, so
I wouldn't mind.
you
All I would hear is that plastic and it going.
It's talking by experience. Anyway, guys, the weather have been very nice outside.
The weather, you say?
Oh yeah, the weather was.
In the morning it's fresh, but in the day
It's fresh
hot.
in the morning, but once the morning done,
Yes, it's
it feels hot.
Like
We
summer
went at the
hot.
post office at midday, and it was very hot.
That's true.
Very hot. So yeah, that means we are about to look for what we're gonna do
This
for the
weekend, I hope it's not gonna rain. Let's look at the schedule
Oh,
first.
I have to look that too. But it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fine. Anyway, today was a regular day. Nothing's wrong. Nothing's good to say.
Nothing
As long
good to
as
say.
as long as
Nothing
we have
bad to
life,
say, you mean?
nothing's wrong. Nothing's good. If I say nothing's wrong, nothing bad, will be exactly the same thing.
It's midnight. End the vlog. You're tired. Let's go to bed.
Anyway, guys, I hope you all had a good day. Give this video a thumbs up, a catch up, and keep up a
Comment down below.
comment,
Because I'm
a
tired, you know.
notification, and we
I'll
catch you
see
guys,
tomorrow. You are so tired.
Tomorrow tired.
How long time you gonna pause, babe?
Yeah.